so hot. My hair was like, girl. What's up, you guys? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, before we get into the video, if you have not already, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. I would love it if you do so. It helps me out so much as a small YouTuber. And if you hit the subscribe button, you'll be able to join the fam. And you guys, like, it's lit over here. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Today I am here with a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this unboxing is special for a couple of reasons. One, this is my first Monogram purchase. So far my Louis Vuitton collection is only Damier Ebene, and I have been, I don't know, I guess I just haven't seen a Monogram item that I really wanted yet. And an item that is on my wish list finally became available. As you know, I have the Louis Vuitton card holder in the Damier Ebene, and I like it, you guys. I really do like it, but I carry quite a few cards with me daily, so it's not enough sometimes. Sometimes I need like 7 cards because I have 2 IDs. I use my Cash App card to get gas. I have my regular debit cards, my credit card, my business cards. Like, I just need something that holds more. And I also wanted like a little toiletry pouch or something, like just a little catch-all to put in my bags. So I had this item on my wish list because it fit all of those categories. So let's go ahead and get into unboxing it. So this is my box. This box got here so long ago, y'all. I just be getting stuff and then I just let it chill and hang out. It takes me a while to open these purchases. So inside, oh, this cute little box. This is the little Louis Vuitton box. Nice and wrapped up. Ooh. I get my heart like, ooh. Ooh, let's open it. Let's pull the string. I am so dramatic with taking the ribbon off. All right. Ordering online is such a, like, ooh, oh, this one's different. It doesn't open? Oh, yeah, it does. So, I'm gonna open it. I love these boxes, y'all. So, this has been a SLG week. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is what I purchased. This is the Louis Vuitton. Ooh, girls. You know we look for the made in France. You look for the made in France, and it's like an extra treat. So you open this one up, and this is a larger pouch. I saw somewhere that this should fit an iPad, but that does not look possible. I'll try it. But it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And this feels, I don't know what this is, but it feels wipeable. I love that the bigger one is pink because, baby, I might just carry this around with me. This is such a cute, like, I don't know what that was, but oh my gosh, I am so excited. Fix that. Okay. Oh my gosh. So inside of that larger one, so it's a kirigami, of course, like origami. It's a kirigami, so you know it has the 3 like pouches that come out and they all fit inside each other. So this is the middle sized one, and it has like this dark red interior. And then inside of that one is the smaller one, and this is what I plan to use to carry my cards for now. And this has like a wine color, y'all, or maybe a plum. I say wine, but I love, like, look how cute. I don't know how many cards I can fit in here, but I just love it. It's so beautiful. I can't believe I have something in Monogram. This will probably be the only thing I buy in Monogram, but you never know. For 2021, this will be the only thing that I buy in Monogram. But I just had to have this. And then I keep hearing that Louis Vuitton is trying to get rid of Monogram. And you guys, when I want something, I literally will go on the website and scroll through my wish list like every single morning. It's like, you know how you wake up and you check like your text messages, your social medias? No. I wake up and I check my Louis Vuitton wish list when I'm ready to buy something. So this is so freaking cute. Like, I could really just see myself, you know, running out the house with just this, you know. Or I would probably have to keep both in here because, baby. So I have my little one in here. And then this would be such a cute catch-all in like a bigger bag. So I could put this inside of my Neverfull or my Speedy and just have things in here. I am so excited. I love this purchase. Oh my gosh, I especially love this, y'all. With the pink, I feel like pink should be an option inside of everything. Like, I just love it. So that is my unboxing for today. Let me know if you have this or if this is a wishlist item for you. Also, if you made it to this part of the video, leave me a green heart down below. Green is my favorite color, and I just want to see who's here. Say hi to me down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's such a wish list item. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. 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 This is my purchase.